You're not a teacher. I am a teacher. So if you're in Blackbeard's Bootcamp, it'll bring you to a link that looks just like this. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go inside. There's only one assignment right now that's published, and it is our Guess the Number game that we're going to be working on this week. Shout out to the people who have already submitted it. It's a good look. So for this assignment, here are the steps. 1, you're going to import random. 2, assign variables. And then after that, you're going to take a screenshot and post whatever you have into the Google Classroom. I'm going to go into the student preview so that I don't mess up what you already have. If you want to import a random, it's literally just that. Import random. That's it. Now, to understand what this does, there's a random library out there that exists that has a series of functions that we can use. If you're ever like, I have no idea how to use or what this is in terms of Python syntax, you can always look it up. I love using W3 Schools. That is my favorite site to go to. I just like the structure. They make it very simple. Again, they show you, here is a import random. Next, we're going to go to assign variable guess the value of 0. 0. Same thing for count. And then lastly, assign a variable number, the value of a random integer. And can we see the rest of that? That'd be nice. From 1 to 9. Thank you. So number is the name of our variable. The value is random. 1 to 9. Let me just double check that I got that right. Random, not randint. Yes, I did. So this is how you get your random integer. And if you want to check, thank you for this, by the way, Ashton, for giving me the idea. You can just print out number and see what you get. First it's 2, now it's 8, 3, etc., etc., etc. Last thing you want to do, besides turning in the assignment, you're going to turn it in, but you're also going to just take a screenshot and submit in the Google Classroom so that you can get graded easier. You save us a lot of work. We'd appreciate it. Just saying.